Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set a pose in Roblox profile picture. First, you make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account. Click this profile icon here, and then once you click this one, all you have to do is to click edit profile picture. Now in edit profile picture, you can select any post for your avatar. So as you can see here, there is select any mode to pose your avatar. So I'll try to check this one. And then if you want something, if you want another post, then you can scroll down and look for other posts for your avatar. But the problem is that you need Robux to purchase this post. And then shop for more if you want to see. But since I don't want to spend my Robux, so I'll just choose from the free ones here. Another thing is that aside from poses, you can also zoom and rotate your avatar character. So all you have to do is to zoom in, zoom out, and then rotate up and down until you get satisfied with your output. And then kind of click save. That's how you set a pose in Roblox profile picture. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.